Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. Now, right before the break, I asked, what was the warmest temperature ever recorded in Great Falls on December 5th? Was it 49 degrees, 55 degrees, 60 degrees, or 69 degrees? The answer was 69 degrees, if you can believe that. That was in 1939, so much warmer than we're going to be today, unfortunately. But that is just interesting trivia there. Now, right now in the capital city, it's a lot colder than that. It's 17 degrees. However, calm winds, so there's really no difference in the wind chill versus the actual temperature of the air. In Great Falls, though, similar situation. Other areas in north central Montana are a little bit windier, so wind chill kind of an issue, but below freezing for this morning, and we're going to stay below freezing pretty much for most of today. Now, it has been pretty windy here the last couple of days, especially yesterday. These are some of the highest wind gusts from the last 24 hours, 72 miles an hour in Deep Creek, so pretty high wind gusts here. Today's going to be fairly breezy as well, but at the moment things are pretty calm. There are a couple of areas with wind gusts right now, but for the most part it is not quite that bad just yet. It's a little calmer in the morning than it is in the afternoon. But the change from yesterday really is on the radar. You can see the snow moving through north central Montana around Great Falls. That moved in around about an hour ago, but it's kind of already beginning to move south of Great Falls, and out near Glasgow that has really moved south and towards eastern Montana, kind of dissipating there, so calming down with that snowfall. But it is going to continue to push south as the day goes on, so that will be reaching the capital in the next couple of hours here. However, that's just a slight chance in the higher elevations. It really shouldn't get down into the valley. And by this afternoon and evening, we are going to be nice and clear for a clearer day on Thursday and clearer weather Friday as well. We got some calm weather after today. Just have to get through a little bit of snowfall, and it's really not a whole lot. This is the accumulation for almost the whole day here today, and you can see less than an inch for most folks. It's just going to be a little bit of a dusting. Not really expecting any issues in terms of the commute today, so it's not going to be that bad out there, but it is really cooling things off. That cold front behind it cooling things off. Now, for the rest of this week and heading into the beginning of next week, it's looking pretty quiet here. We have lots of clear days, and actually this weekend it's going to warm up by a couple of degrees into the high 30s and low 40s, which is still chilly but not as cold as it is today. The next change we're looking at, though, is this moisture off the Pacific. That'll be moving in the beginning to middle of next week. We have another chance of snowfall, but for now, after today, we have a couple of days with some sunshine before those changes start to roll in here. So highs today, as I mentioned, going to stay pretty chilly in the 20s for most folks. It's going to be a chilly day today, and overnight tonight, lots of lows down in the single digits. So today, probably one of the coldest days of this week, but we'll start to warm up later on in the week. So you can see already tomorrow warming up by a couple of degrees, and then the weekend warming up again. It's still chilly, but not as cold as today. A couple of still lows down in the single digits. It is December, but we have some sunshine to look forward to, nice sunny days, and some warm-ish temperatures this weekend. Still a little bit of relief from the bitter, bitter cold.
Yeah, it's a little improvement, and at least it's coming for the weekend, so that's nice.
Yes, there you go.
Always
You're welcome.
Take that. Thank you, Katie.